Due to their high-intensity environments, healthcare settings require reliable, durable, and sleek technology solutions. Mimo touchscreens, displays, and tablets can rise to meet the challenge of optimizing healthcare. Since hospitals never close, screens can't either. Mimo Premium commercial displays are intended for 24/7 use and are highly efficient. The displays are also flexible for delivering healthcare administrators essential real-time data. In hospitals, doctors' offices, emergency rooms, and medical centers, and more, Mimo monitor displays can fit your need. Some ways to integrate them into your healthcare facility include utilizing them outside patient rooms to display what rooms are in use, displaying which doctor is assigned to which room, noting medication schedules or other patient information, displaying wayfinding, as healthcare systems can have massive campuses. With these directional elements, everyone can navigate with ease. Mimo displays can also assist with simplifying check-in for patients, visitors, and staff. Some of the leading medical centers in the country depend on Mimo displays every day to stay informed, provide vital information, and optimize patient care for doctors, patients, and staff. Learn more at mimomonitors.com.